Guys, let's tape this neckline together. After having your neckline cut out a piece on fold measuring 2 inches or 1.5 inches and sew on the neckline as seen. Do the same to the other piece as seen, okay? Sew it on the neckline as you can see, all right? So once you are done stitching, notch properly on the angles as you can see and notch the neckline properly for proper relaxation, okay? And then flip it in this way. Okay, so you are actually sewing on the wrong side of the fabric. Sew the excess and cut out that way. Come back to the front part of the fabric and top stitch on the neckline as you can see. And voila. You guys should say thank you for this easy tips I bring your way every day. Like, follow, subscribe, and share for more.